Welcome to Accounting Web's product showcase with FreeAgent. Here to tell me about the Accounting Excellence Award-winning software is Kevin Lord from FreeAgent. And I guess to get us started, Kevin, looking at it from the perspective of practitioners working with small business clients, what can FreeAgent do that makes their life easier?
Yeah, it's a great question, John. We have numerous features. I think the amount of time we spend talking to accountants, it's really evident that the time and effort that they take to get bank transactional data from their clients is obvious. Whether that be CSV statements, multiple statements sent, paper statements through the post, it's a time-consuming exercise for them. So one thing that we do at FreeAgent is spend a lot of time and effort making our banking section as easy and as accessible as possible, both for the end user but for accountants. So, why don't I show you that?
Okay.
So there's two ways to get transactional data into FreeAgent. At the top here, you can see upload statements. So that's those CSV statements that I was telling you about. But we really recommend setting up a bank feed. And what that entails is the bank transactional data being pulled through onto FreeAgent every 24 hours in real time for the accountant. We run a traffic light system with our transactional data. So green means that they've been explained, and red, like the top one here, needs an explanation. There's two ways to explain bank transactions. You can do it on the FreeAgent app itself, or we also have a mobile phone app. So if I take this first one, rent, as you can see, money in, money out. We always try to keep the language as simple as possible for the users. And I'll click this button here. I'll change the category down to rent, and I'll explain that transaction. It's then went from red to green. The question marks disappeared, there's now a tick. Those with keen eyesight would have seen that the total unexplained has went from 16 to 15, a little game for the end users. And it's really as easy as that.
So some of these are being automatically reconciled. Is that what's going on?
Yes, so they were green when they first came in, John, and our banking team do excellent work to make sure that previous transactions that have been explained, when they get pulled through to FreeAgent, we'll match those explanations. So another good example here is Shell Petrol. Every time I go and fill the car up, FreeAgent recognises that is a motor expense. That's been posted to the correct nominal code, the VAT return's been updated, the self-assessment's been updated, things like that. So yes, you're quite right, the guest technology is there.
But then you use that process you showed us a second ago to pick up and correct things and to actually post them manually if there is a query.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you mentioned a mistake there. We'll go down to EE, which I'm circling just now. The system's posted that as internet and telephone, but actually that's incorrect. Now, for an accountant, that used to mean a journal entry, maybe a reversal entry as well. But it's just a simple case of clicking on it again, picking mobile phones, saving those changes, and that's the correction being dealt with.
Okay, so life's a bit easier for the practitioner here. What's FreeAgent got that makes life easier for the end users, their clients?
Yeah, we hear from accountants quite a lot that their clients aren't tech savvy or things like that. Now, everything that I've just done there can be done on the mobile phone app, on the go. Hopefully they won't have as many transactions as that, maybe only one or two if they're doing it on a daily basis. And really what that's meaning is that their accounts are up to date in real time. Their accountants can see that. But it also takes a stressful, difficult job away from the client, and it's done in real time.
Okay, thanks, Kevin. That was just a brief overview of some of the key features of FreeAgent. If you'd like to find out how FreeAgent handles VAT for MTD, make sure to watch the companion video. And for any other information news about the application, Accounting Web has our software reviews page where it will be featured. And you can always come onto Accounting Web for anything to do with accounting, technology, and software. Thanks for watching.